Hello, good evening. Magandang Mohai, Philippines. I hope everyone is great and thanks to God, we giving life again, and I hope everyone is healthy and Isana namang kalaman kung paano natin algan ang ating kalusugan. Today we will talk about heart. So I will tell you how to you care the heart. So you must be know our heart, what we have, how do we protect, how do we care, how do you, if because our organ, body organ is the number one is the heart. The heart, when they start, he never take the rest. He never take the rest. He always working. We are tired coming, we taking rest, but heart never taking rest. So let's we start. So if you any problem, you can cure your home at home. I will tell you how to cure your heart. But I have some point I must be same must be our sound for health. So first things we must be have cardio exercise. Everyone should be have to make the exercise minimum 30 minutes. If you want to keep your heart healthy, you should be have to make the exercise 30 minutes. And if you any exercise, which one you interesting, you can make. Or if you don't know anything, just you can make just deep breathing and hold, but not from mouth. Close the mouth, just you deep breath from the nose and release from how much you can control and keep your breath, and you release from the nose also. Okay. So how we know our heartbeat is normal or going increasing, or so there is one formula I will tell you. So example, your age is 40, so you do 220 minus 40, so this one coming 180. How your age 50, 60, 40, 30, no problem. So you make 220 minus 40, so you will get 180. So 180 your heart beating 180. So how this is the maximum, how you know? So you can make the, if you want to the correct one you want to see, then you can do 55% by 180. Okay, so you will get 90. If you make 180 85%, you make 85% from 180, you will get 150. So this is 90 and any low 90, high 150. Okay, so you can check your heartbeat. Now there is so many equipment you can in the market, you can check. So or this is, but if you want to check in home, you can check this way: 220 minus how much your age, you can calculation, then coming how 180 or something, that too you can make 55%. Then you coming, you know this is my low heart beating. Then you make 85% from 180, so you will be know my high is 150. Same now, same you have your so this one you must be how much your heart beating and how you cure. So you must be, if you want to cure your heart, you should be eat the living food, and you the what you call this pumpkin, you drink pumpkin juice, but you check before you make juice. This is sweet, you make juice. If you know sweet, don't make juice. And any kinds of vegetable you can drink juice, but the most the best health is pumpkin juice for heart. So you can clean your heart from the pumpkin juice. You can put little calamansi, little organic salt, little 1 pinch black pepper. You grind in milk and you can drink morning, empty stomach, and before you sleeping night you can drink. Okay. Second things, if people is smoking, the smoking is very bad for the heart. Smoking is too much problem, because we have always problem smoking. You should be have to control your smoking. If you not control, you will get the coronary disease. So this is, people if is smoking, who is smoking, they have big problem. So they heart problem, they sometimes they are, lot of disease they are getting. So, must be stop smoking. Smoking is not good. Our health going to hell. So and other things, your weight loss. You should be, how to keep your weight loss. So you have to check the weight loss from where, how your height. Your height is like centimeter. Like example, your height is 180 centimeter. So you make minus 80. Sorry, minus 100. Your height is 180 centimeter. So you make the minus 80. Okay. And if you want to see your height, so example, your height coming 180, then you make minus 100. So so coming 80. 80 means your weight coming 80. 80 less also can come, up also can come. So how you want to check? And first you check your height. How many centimeter? If you coming 180 or less, you minus 100. So you will be know your weight is 70 or what. So and so you must be, don't make your weight is more. Don't overeat. If you overeat, your body is getting problem. If you have overeat, our heart problem, we are sometimes that's coming, how many people died from the heart disease, because they are overeating. So don't eat overeating. If you're overeating, that's why I said don't eat overeating. Stay from the trans fat, and stay from the high calories diet. Don't eat any acidic food. Don't eat this is any lot of must, you have living food. Don't eat oily food, burger, this one, because this all coming in the fat our. So blockage coming, and they are, this sometime the people don't know they are eating, BP going high because their heart attack coming or they died. Nobody knows. You should be have to protect your heart. And if you have your high cholesterol, because there is two kind of cholesterol, HDL cholesterol, LDL. HDL is the best cholesterol, LDL is the bad cholesterol. So when you are fat, you are coming more LDL, and bad cholesterol going up. So your metabolism also getting low. So you are more problem in coming. So so these things, don't eat the overeat. If you eat the overeat, this is the not good for our body. So whatever you want, any good health, you should be see what I am eating. You must be make your food is great. Your food is the medicine. Don't make medicine to food. Percussion is the better than cure. So so what have to do? You must be, don't eat overeat. So you keep little hunger, So this is your body coming fresh, your skin growing, yani your eyesight coming good, your hair coming good, yani you are coming maraming maganda. So if you want to keep maraming maganda, you should be eat the good food, the living food, fruits, any kinds of fruits, vegetables, salad. These things you have to use. So your body, your never looks old. Always you looks like a 20 years. If you are 45, you looks like a 20 years. If you are 50 years, you look like a 40 years. If you are 60 years, you look like a 35 years, 40 years, 45 years. So this is your hand. How do you keep your body is the good way. And if you love your chocolate, you can eat, because there is cocoa. Cocoa is the good for our health, but not eating too much. There is a limit. You eat every day for limit. This is good for us. The chocolate is very good for your heart, your health, and you can eat every day little. Other things, don't keep stress. If you keep stress, you are getting lot of disease. This is stress like a cycling. The cycle going on, and bringing lot of disease. We cannot do, our life will be destroyed. So this one, you must be, we next time we'll talk the how to control the stress, because now we are talking from the heart. So we are not bringing the mix between the stress and the heart. So that's why I said you have to keep your heart healthy. If this organ is healthy, your body is healthy. The second organ is the liver. So next time we will talk the liver. So I hope you like my video, and you share my video, like my video, and subscribe my video. And if you like, and you want to know any disease I will tell you. You can be cure any disease from at home. No need to go in the hospital. And easy, everything we have, this all vegetable, fruits, this is medicine. This is a herbal. Herbal is the best medicine. No chemical, no any side effect. You try and see. Any disease you have, diabetes, you have thyroid, you have breast cancer, any you have disease, migraine, anything you have, you just let me know. I will tell you. You can ask anything about your disease. And if you like my video, if you love my speech, so I will make more and more. So just you are share and like. So I want to everyone is healthy. No need to, some people don't have money to spend, so they can make treatment. And how to eat, how to cook, everything I can tell you. So you can cook rice, which way, everything you can ask. So we'll make next the different videos, so you will be know. You can watch every video, so you will be know. So this is special for our Kabay in this video. And I love Philippines, and Philippines is my